Hi guys, welcome back to Champion Craft, and in this video we're going to talk about logical operators. And let me quickly spin up a text box here. So here's the content. So the purpose of logical operators is to perform logical operations on Boolean values. So what are Boolean values? Boolean values are and or not. Okay, so the logical operator will either give true or false as a result. So I'll give you an example so that you can understand more. And in this video I'm going to talk about in detail about and operator, or operator, and nor operator with a couple of examples each. So let me talk about and logical operator. So the AND logical operator will give true if both the conditions are true. For example, print true and true. This will give you a true value. It's taking a little time. Just give me a second. Let's give it a second. And meanwhile, I will write another snippet. So print. So for suppose if it is true and false, I think it's better to embed all these things in the same thing. So true and false, false and true, false, false. So in 4 of the cases, these are the 4 combinations possible with the true and false, and only the first case will return you true. Rest of the cases will give us false. Likewise, if you want to have an example for this, I'm actually giving true and false directly, but these are essentially conditions. I'll give you an example so that you'll get it. So for suppose if you want to print see 2 is greater than 1, right? So likewise we print 10 is greater than 5. So these will give you true and true, right? So if at all I want to try print, so first let's take this one, true. So and 10 is greater than 5. So this will print as true because this one is true and this one is true. True and true is just true, like that. When it comes to OR operator, logical OR operator, so this will return as true if either of the 2 conditions are true or both of the true conditions are true. For suppose if you consider the same snippet for the example, so if I replace OR here and OR in each of the statements, or if you consider, see in the first statement, second statement and third statement we have at least one true, right? So in first 3 of the cases we'll get true, whereas in the 4th case we have both false, so it will return false, like this. If you want to if you ask me example, let's take the same thing, and now if I, since both are true, let's make one as false. Let us say 10 is less than 5. This is false, right? This is true and this is false. So if I make the same change here also and keep OR here, so that will definitely give us true because the first one is true and the second one is false. So 1 is sufficient for us, so that is, it is giving true. Now let's talk about the NOT operator. So the NOT operator works like a negate. Like if it is true, this will return as false. If it is false, that will return as true. For example, print, suppose not true, print not false. So the first one, since it is true, the first one will return false. The second one is, since the second one is false, it will return as true. It's opposite, quite opposite, like this. For example, if I take the same same example here, let us consider now this is true, right? So if I give print not of this one, this will give us false because that is true, like that. I think that is it. As a summary, for AND operation, both the conditions has to be true. For OR operation, at least one of the condition has to be true. For NOT operation, it is converse. It gives the opposite output. So that is it about the logical operators. I'll meet you in the next video with conditionals. If you at any point of this video, if you feel like this is informative, I would request you guys to share to your friends and families, and subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Champion Craft. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.